name is Chief Bagbongo. Chief Bagbongo.
Okay.
I am the Paramount Lola Bagbongo Comprehensive Community Camp Pond. Vanika Government Area of Benue State.
Compound? Are you a title holder or it's just a name?
On top of that, can call it Tatius or Geisha. That was not a problem at all.
Sir, I understand you are just coming back from Benue State.
Point your correction. I am not returning from Benue State and returning from my community in Vanika government.
Sir, is it true there is heavy security in Benue State?
My blood that one man them. They went and blowed some army to came and terrorize the peaceful raving people of my community. Say, God is above all of them.
We understand they are called Operation Eyan Aputuma. What does that mean?
Operation Ayem Apatuma simply means Operation Catless.
Pardon?
Operation Catless. Yes. But I want to assure all of them that God is above all enemy plans. And if they want, let them went and blood latless or chickenless. But the children of God will still survive.
Thank you, sir, for your time.
You are very, very welcome.
Yes, ma'am. Sir,
Eshikani, what again?
any word for your people living on the plateau?
Yes. I just want to encourage all of them on the plateau here to be very, very careful and real responsible because the problem is getting high. They should remember to play for Swam of us the Chiefs. And also, very, very important, play for His Royal Highness, Professor James Ayati, the true chief of our land, who is working tirelessly to redeem the lost glory of our land. And I want to tell you, next time if you are coming to my parish, remember to blink at risk. Please sticks of lat meat to come and give me thank yous.
Lassa fever again?
What let you see you soon again?
Sir, I say may you live long, sir.
Thank you very much.